how to show or hide the next summary in Notification Center before the schedule time on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on notifications. Next, go down and tap on schedule summary. Make sure you turn on schedule summary. Once it is turned on, then you can choose whether to show or hide the next summary. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, it will show the next summary in Notification Center before the schedule time. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.